Removing the distributor. We got 1, 2, 3 12mm bolts. If you're leaking all around the distributor, it has an O-ring on it here. I want to check that, see if it needs replaced. When you go to reinstall the distributor, you notice it's keyed to fit into the cam one way, so it's really hard to mess up. Just look in here, see where the slot in the cam is, kind of line your key up the same way. Distributor wires are going to face toward the intake. Just like that, run your bolts back in.